Hi everyone! In today's lesson, we will be talking about how to name angles of quadrilaterals and triangles. Please remember to write down the FLT. Given a quadrilateral or a triangle, I will be able to correctly name its angles. If you need more time, remember you can pause the video at any time. So first of all, what are angles? Let's look at the definition. What are angles? An angle is the space between two intersecting lines or sides. It measures the amount of turn. The purple parts represent angles. Today, we will be looking at how to name these angles. You can name an angle in 3 different ways. Let's say we have an angle like this. Notice how the angle is created by the intersection of 2 lines. One way to name this angle is to call it angle B. We have the symbol for an angle and then the letter B, since that's where the angle is. We can also call this angle as angle ABC. Notice here, the B is in the middle. We can go the other way and call this angle CBA. We have 3 different ways of naming this angle: angle B, or angle ABC, or angle CBA. Notice for the bottom 2 options, B is in the middle. Let's look at some examples of naming angles of quadrilaterals. In our first example, we will name the selected angle of the quadrilateral CDEF. Where is the angle located? The angle is located here. So one way we can name this is as angle C. But there are 2 other ways to name this angle. We can start from here and call this angle as angle DCF. Or we can also go the other way. We can start from F instead and go to D. In this case, we have angle FCD. So there are 3 ways to name this selected angle. We have angle C, or angle DCF, or angle FCD. All of these are correct ways to name this angle. In our next example, let's name the selected angle of the quadrilateral MNOP. We can call this angle N, since the angle is at this point N. We can also call this angle MNO. So starting at M and going to O. Or we can go the other way. We can also call this angle as angle ONM. So the 3 ways we can label this angle is as angle N, or angle MNO, or angle ONM. Let's also look at how to name angles of triangles. Let's name the selected angle of this triangle. The selected angle is right here. So one way we can name this angle is angle A. We can also go from C through A and end at T. So another way to name this is angle CAT, cat. We can also start at T and go backwards. So another name is angle TAC. We've labeled this angle in 3 different ways. Let's look at one more example. Name the selected angle of this triangle. The angle is right here, so we can call this angle as angle Z. We can also start at X, go through Z, and end at Y. So angle XZY is another name. Or we can go the other way, YZX. So another name is angle YZX. We have labeled the angle in 3 different ways. So today, we looked at how to name angles of quadrilaterals and triangles. You can name an angle in 3 different ways. Here's an example, like angle B, angle ABC, or angle CBA. Please take a picture of your notes and submit them to Canvas. Great job today.